दिस इज अगेन अवार्ड शो का गपशप वाला एपिसोड और हमारे साथ पे आज पुनीत है. ठीक है. सो इन प्रीवियस एपिसोड्स यू हैव ऑलरेडी नोन पुनीत और इन एपिसोड 4 हम पुनीत के साथ जुड़े थे. सो इस वाले एपिसोड में ये गपशप वाला जो एपिसोड है बहुत ही ऑर्गेनिक एपिसोड होता है, बहुत ही रॉ एपिसोड होता है, जैसे कि आप सबको पता है. So nothing is scripted, nothing is predefined or pre-decided. So we'll see how the conversation goes, and comparatively it is going to be like a short episode. So we are going to review something. So we are going to review Dark Chronicles today. So Dark Chronicles is basically an initiative of Puneet, and he's going to tell us what more to be expected. हम इससे क्या expect कर सकते हैं. डर क्रॉनिकल पे हम लोग क्या क्या देखने वाले हैं आने वाले टाइम पे, क्या क्या एक्साइटिंग चीजें हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं डर क्रॉनिकल के एपिसोड से. तो वो सारी चीजें पुनीत इज गोना टॉक अबाउट. और हमारे पास में डर क्रॉनिकल्स का पहला जो टीजर है, वो टीजर ट्रेलर हमारा चैनल पे रिलीज हो चुका है. तो उसको हम लोग अभी कलेक्टिवली एक बार साथ में रिव्यू भी करते हैं. लाइक फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम विक्टर इज गोना सी दैट. विक्टर ने तो अभी वो देखा भी नहीं है. So we are going to play that, and based on that, we will see how the Chronicle is going to be. So it's going to be a teaser, right? So I would request Deepto to play that video. Deepto, if you can, just put that on the screen for everyone to see.
Sure. All right. The Chronicles, share.
कहानी क्या होती है? कहानी कोई सच्चाई जो पुरानी होकर बिखर गई, या फिर कोई झूठ जो अफवाहों के गुच्छे से जुड़कर कहानी बन गया. कहानी वो धुआं है जो आग से उठता है, आसमान को छूता है और फिर हवा में डूब जाता है, लेकिन वो निशान छोड़ जाता है दिलों पर, दिमाग पर. कहानी वो ज्योति है जो अंधेरे को चीरती है, रास्ते दिखाती और रहस्य खोलती है. सदियों का सफर तय करती है कहानी और बदल जाती है उसके साथ. तो चलिए ऐसे ही सफर पर जहां से ये कहानियां जन्म लेती हैं और जाने वो राज जो कहानी बनकर रह गई. हर सोमवार और हर शनिवार होगी आपसे मुलाकात हमारे इस चैनल डर क्रॉनिकल्स में.
This was exciting, man. This was exciting.
Great. Yeah.
Great. All right. The mesmerizing voice of Puneet. I mean, I've been hearing that for years and years. All right, bro. Over to you.
Yes. ओके. सो चैनल का जो मेन एम है, इट्स अगर जैसे ही मैंने आपको टीजर में ही बताया, इट्स ऑल अबाउट कहानी. सो इट्स द स्टोरीज विच हैव नेवर बीन टोल्ड, विच हैव नेवर बीन प्रेज्ड, आई वुड से. इनके बारे में कुछ ज्यादा लोगों ने बात भी नहीं की, कभी इसके बारे में कुछ ज्यादा रिसर्च भी नहीं की. एंड वी ऑलवेज हैव हर्ड टिट्स एंड बिट्स ऑफ एनी स्टोरी अबाउट दैट. सो मैंने ऐसी काफी सारी कहानियां ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड से इकट्ठी की है. I mean, obviously, I did a lot of research. So, for example, जैसे if I talk about Bollywood movies, so अब जाके थोड़ा सा culture ऐसा आया है कि जहाँ पे we are actually exploring stories which are from India. Like if I go to the Stree movies universe, they are exploring it more and more. But I think next again they are going back to the vampire things, which are not again from so I would say Indian culture. But somehow there are मैं ये बोलूंगा कुछ इस तरह के डीमंस, इस तरह के पिशाच इंडियन फोकलोर्स में भी है, जिन्हें इस तरह का बताया गया कि who sucks blood due to something. तो लेट्स सी. तो मेरा मेन जो एम रहा है वो ये रहा है कि इस तरह की फोकलोर्स लेके आना जो ज्यादा लोगों को नहीं पता, चाहे वो मैक्सिकन हो, श्रीलंकन हो, पाकिस्तानी हो, इंडियन हो या एशियन हो. So these would be the episode which will be shown through AI videos and with my voice, narrating everything on it.
Got it. So, so these folklores are specifically like going to be from India, or are they going to be like go around the world? As you said.
Well, first I wanted to do within India only, but when I started researching, then I found a lot of folklores all over the world, which are somehow connected. So I thought that it's better go for all the folklores from all over the world, and then we reconnect. क्योंकि इसमें से काफी चीजें हैं जो ऐसी हैं कि किसी तरह से झूठे तरीके से बता रखी हैं. So अगर मैं if I give you a little bit of hint, like there's एक नंबर 13 होता है लिफ्ट के अंदर, वो क्यों होता है, कहाँ से ओरिजिन हुआ है, उसकी रिसर्च में उससे मैंने बाकायदा एक स्टोरी उस पर लिखी है, उसका एक एपिसोड में क्रिएट करूंगा, where we will get to know what's the actual story, why did it become the 13th floor को इतना forbidden क्यों माना गया. Then we have a folklore जहाँ पे haunted mansions होते हैं या haunted places होते हैं, वो एक्चुअली ओरिजिनेट क्यों होती है, ऐसा क्या हुआ होता है कि वो हॉन्टेड हो जाती है. सो इस तरह की काफी स्टोरीज मुझे जब मैंने रिसर्च की, कुछ इस तरह की चीजें मिली. अगर इंडिया की बताओ, इंडिया में ऐसे काफी अबेंडेंड विलेज है जिनको हॉन्टेड माना जाता है. सो व्हेन वी ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट इंडिया, द फर्स्ट नेम व्हिच कम्स इज बानगढ़, बट नोबडी टॉक्स अबाउट कुलधारा, which is again in Rajasthan. And so this is what I wanted to always tell, that we have a lot of stories like that, but it totally depends how you have explored it, how you have not explored things.
So yeah, I was about to ask कि ये सारे के सारे हमारे real stories है, right? I mean, from the
The stories will all be real. Yes, I'm not going for any fictional character or any fictional stories. It would all have some base somewhere or else. All the rumors, all the facts which have been there for the story, it always be there. So पहले मैंने यही सोचा था कि एक ऐसा चैनल शुरू करता हूँ जहाँ पे इन स्टोरीज को एक तरीके से लेकर और एक फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर बनाऊं. बट दैट वाज अगेन नॉट समथिंग माय हार्ट डिडंट अलाउ दैट, क्योंकि इस तरह के काफी चैनल्स हैं जो फेक स्टोरीज लेके आते हैं, ऑलमोस्ट सारी स्टोरीज कॉमन होती हैं. So I thought, why don't we go for the real-time story, which actually happened with people, and we still have facts, we still have the remains of those stories available. So let's try that. So this is the experiment I'm going to go with.
So this is anthology, right? मतलब collection of short stories. Are they
Exactly.
in some way?
No. I would first try that the stories which there would be should be totally separate. But yeah, somehow in the world we are connected with one another with some incident or something. So I have encountered such stories as well, which are somehow interrelated, and it's you will be very it's the thing which is very interesting is that stories which are interconnected you won't believe, but some are from the west, some are from the east, and somehow they make a connection. And with coming episodes, I'll show those connections as well. I'll keep a little kind of, let's say, a little Easter eggs in the stories. So where I will ask audience to find that, what kind of connection is that. And along with it, I'm also it's just not the stories. I'm also planning that in the same channel, The Chronicles, I'll be exploring some kind of movie, some kind of series as well, which are there, which are present, but the people don't know about it, which are really good. It's just that it has never been showcased in such a way. So, for example, if I talk about, Rahul and we watched a movie recently that was Nefarious. And even Rahul, you didn't hear about that movie. But when we watched it, you know how good that movie was. Right? The first time, I would say, in a history of movies, the first time they have shown that how devil works and how he actually get into you. It's not like some, कि एक छप्पी लगी और एक आपके अंदर devil आ गया. How he works, and that's one of the reasons that Nefarious is banned in many countries. And that's one of the reasons it was not promoted, because they had shown the actual process how devil works. So इस तरह की stories भी मैं सामने लेके आऊँगा, इस तरह की movies recommendation भी मैं सामने लेके आऊँगा. So that people, the Dark Chronicles, the name of the channel, they can associate.
Great, that's great.
Got it. I was about to ask also one more thing. क्योंकि ये जो second point you are saying about being cinephile, talking about stories, talking about movies, again on the same theme of horror stories. ये दोनों different channels में होने वाले हैं, same channel में होने वाले हैं. How the audience going to consume both this?
Basically, what I have done is that, you know, for the stories which I'll be telling, the haunted story, they have a specific day. That would be Monday and Saturday. The story would be for like it will start from 2-3 minutes. It may go up to 5 minutes. But I'll be uploading shorts here and there within a week, like, you know, once or twice in a week. So not only if I talk about commercially, it will also keep me in the, you know, system in the YouTube, and also it gives me a more horizon to, you know, work on. So that's how it's gonna be.
One question, burning question, जब भी haunted stories की बात होती है, क्या
Okay.
आपने लोग देखे ये?
So I won't say both, but yes, like in this world we have natural and then we have supernaturals as well. There are a lot of elements in the supernatural, and I have seen some of them in my real life. It could be in my imagination or it could be facts. But yes, I have seen kind of rituals. Specifically, I would say Northeast India. I have seen rituals which I have seen in my family, in my within my forefathers, and in, you know, in my neighborhood. So once in a lifetime, one of us actually encounters this. It's up to us how we want to believe it in. We want to take it as a myth. We want to take it. We want to explore it. So yes, I've been, and I would say, in fact, if you realize, you also have been seeing all these things since your childhood. So it's just that, you know, we never could understood, was it a figment of our imagination or was it a real thing.
तो क्या वो experiences इस channel में कहीं से integrate किया हुआ है? Some stories
I-
based on true story?
Yes. The thing is, I would like to do that, but I don't know how to start it, because right now my focus is on one thing, because I don't want to just, you know, sail on both the boats. So what I've been doing is that, you know, I'm first focusing on all the haunted stories and all the things which I have captured so far. Then if I get a good response accordingly, then I'll also start with all the experiences, and maybe I would be calling some guests on my channel who have these kind of things. They have experience in their life. But of course, you know, whosoever I've been calling, there should be some kind of proof where I should at least be satisfied that whatever they are talking is not just made up, it's actually happened. So until I don't find this thing, I won't be going with anyone.
I support that. Very true.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay, visuals. We can clearly see कि ये AI से बनाया गया है and all that. So
Yeah, of course.
do you want to talk about it? कैसे बनाया है? Which platform you used in case you're buying, you know?
Yeah, of course, of course. I mean, this is something which is common to everyone. So it's just not one thing which I have done. I have worked on multiple platforms. So I have collected pictures through a website called Ideogram. Earlier used to be free. Now they have limited making of movies in just making of the pictures just 10 per day, and then we have Hyper, which converts your pictures to video. Again, it has limits up to 10 videos. Then I'm talking about free tool, not the paid one. Then we have Pixverse, and Pixverse also have an option. They gives you points and credits. So these are a few tools which I have worked onto it, and then I have my own video editing tool which I have learned for the past almost say 2 years, and that helps in the editing and all the things which I have done in the video. So yeah, it's not just one thing. You know, it's not something like, yes, I'm using AI, but it's not fully automated. So the AI I have used is semi-automated. I have done some work through AI, but I have done my hard work as well while creating that, while putting the thought, what kind of picture I want, what kind of video I want. So that's how it has been done.
Awesome. So basically the flow of the journey of visuals is पहले अपने pictures बनाए, फिर उसको video में convert कराए, right? Or and both
Yes.
AI obviously. Okay.
Yes, and in fact, I would tell you that I have also used some of the AI's music tools as well. We have created music on my own, and I have incorporated that in the video.
And last notes on कब ये हम channels पे देख सकते हैं? Channel we have shared, Dark Molecules कब?
Yeah, so मैंने ये मतलब प्रॉपर YouTube के एंड में भी ये डाला हुआ है कि 14 सितंबर से एवरी सैटरडे और एवरी मंडे ये अपलोड होगा. So it will also give me some time. It will also give the audience some time to digest it, to see what's coming. और थोड़ा सा मुझे भी एक मार्केट का पता चल जाएगा किस तरह से क्या चीजें चल रही हैं और कितना एक्सेप्टेंस है किस तरह से है। क्योंकि यस दिस इज समथिंग कि जो मैं खुद अपने लिए करना चाहता था, बट यस ऑफ कोर्स एक कमर्शियल बेनिफिट तो हर एक को चाहिए होता है। सो आई वोंट से मैं पूरी तरह से कमर्शियल बेनिफिट पे इंक्लाइंड हूँ। दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच आई वांट टू डू फॉर माई सेल्फ, बट या इफ इट गिव्स मी सम बेनिफिट मैं क्यों ना वो बेनिफिट लूँ, ये वाली बात है।
14 September onwards, every Sunday, every Monday, we'll be watching Dark Chronicles.
No, every Saturday and every Monday.
Every Saturday.
So ये पूरा वीकेंड ये मतलब एक वीक स्टार्टिंग और एक वीकेंड ये कवर करेगा। एंड विद इन दैट टिप्स एंड बिट्स ऑफ थोड़ी बहुत इधर उधर की इंफॉर्मेशन, थोड़ा रेफरेंसेस, थोड़ा ऑडियंस से क्वेश्चन आंसर, ये सब चलता रहेगा क्या।
And we'll be expecting the other one, वो जो cinephile वाली डिस्कशन होने वाली थी।
दिस इज विद इन दैट ओनली कि जब मैं 14 को पहली अपना वीडियो डालूंगा, उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट सैटरडे आएगा विद इन दैट एक दो शॉर्ट स्ट्रिप भी आ जाएगा, जिससे प्रॉपर एक चीज को हाँ ये सारा ऑल्टरनेट चलेगा एक ही चैनल पर।
So, and let me add to this, 14 September is again a special day.
Yes, that's why I have chosen that date कि उस दिन ही ये सारा शुरू किया जाए।
बताओ उस डे के बारे में और आज के डे के बारे में भी। मैंने सुना आज भी कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट है।
आज तो कुछ नहीं था मेरे टुडे व्हाट्स टुडे।
आज का मुझे लगा आज का पुनीत को आइडिया होगा।
क्या है आज 2 सितंबर ना?
हाँ, 2 September. This is basically related to your genre, the horror, the haunted. It's related to that.
नहीं, मुझे सीरियसली आइडिया नहीं आज का क्या
Okay.
डेट पे।
So, 2 September is basically the birthday of Gaurav Tiwari. He was the founder of Indian Paranormal Society.
Oh yeah, okay. You're right.
Yeah. I mean, as everyone knows, that he died in very mysterious circumstances, and अभी तक भी आज तक भी till this day ये identify नहीं हो पाया कि whether that was a suicide, whether this was a murder. तो वो आज तक काफी ज्यादा जो है controversial है।
That's true. और वो I don't think कभी find out भी होगा, अगर होगा भी तो there will be lot of theories, क्योंकि the thing is when we talk about Gaurav Tiwari, the man himself was indulged in so many things that everyone wants to cash on it. तो काफी लोग 99% चीजें जो इसके लिए निकल के आएंगी वो झूठी निकल के आएंगी। अगर आज भी मैं YouTube पे डालता हूँ what killed who killed गौरव तिवारी, तो पता नहीं कितनी ही बकवास निकल के आती है। तो दिस इज समथिंग, बकवास के बीच में कौन सा फैक्ट होगा वी विल नेवर गेट टू नो। True, this is something will always and on to it is not यहाँ पे तो ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि something criminally कुछ हुआ है कि कोई केस ओपन हो रही ओपन, ऐसा भी कुछ यहाँ पे हो नहीं सकता। So there is one thing which we have to live with कि ये शायद एक वो राग है जो राग ही रहेगा। 14th की if I talk about 14th is would be or is have been my birthday, so that is why I have decided कि 14th भी start किया जाए। So it would be kind of a birthday gift I have given to myself. ये तोहफा हमने खुद को दिया।
नहीं, ये तोहफा आप व्यूअर्स और ऑडियंस को दे रहे।
हाँ, अगर उन्हें पसंद आता तो ऑब्वियसली उनके लिए तोहफा है मेरी तरफ से।
Most excited. And this is my favorite topic.
या आपको सब यही एक ऐसा टॉपिक इसमें घंटों बात की जा सकती है। There are a lot of theories, lot of things going on, and the best thing is जितना ज्यादा मैं इसमें इंडल्ज होता जा रहा हूँ उतना ज्यादा चीजों के बारे में पता चल रहा है, और यही लगता है कि यार कितना कुछ नहीं पता हमें दुनिया के बारे में। सबसे ज्यादा ऐसे टॉपिक में यही चीजें निकल के आती हैं, कोई बहुत कुछ चल रहा है, हम एक 9 to 5 में अटक के रह जाते, पर दुनिया बहुत बड़ी, बहुत ज्यादा यहीं से पता चलता है। एंड आई थिंक माई पर्सनल परसेप्शन इसके, या आई वुड से मेरा पर्सनल सजेशन है किसी ना किसी को सपना ये कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहिए, ताकि थोड़ा सा इस वर्ल्ड से एस्केप करके अपने एक अच्छे वर्ल्ड में, बिकॉज doing this even you can tell this, and you guys are also doing it, I'm also doing it, this has been one stress buster. When you talk about it, when you start working on it, you get a lot of enthusiasm, you get a lot of things going on in your body.
Very true. And this is exactly why we want to, or we all want to have a discussion on podcast. Ki, by हम सब, we all want to be heard, like I was saying earlier. हम सब के पास कोई ना कोई स्टोरी है, कोई ना कोई एक्सपीरियंस है, कुछ है जो हम चाहते हैं कि लोग हमें सुने, या नॉट जस्ट हमें सुने, बट इस चीज़ पे बात हो, इस चीज़ के बारे में लोगों के बीच में एक चाहो तो अवेयरनेस हो, या एक जागृत हो, या कुछ भी हो, which basically and this is the platform, not just us but a platform in general, जहाँ पे हम इस तरह की बातें कर सकते हैं.
एग्जैक्टली. और मुझे ये आप दोनों से भी पूछना था कि अब बेसिकली अब आप किस चीज को मतलब टारगेट कर रहे हो, किस तरह के इंफॉर्मेशन आपके शो पे देखने को मिले?
You are the target.
I have always been affected everywhere. So yeah, but thanks for that. But the thing is, मतलब जैसे कि कोई सेट जॉनर है आपके पॉडकास्ट का, like society related or horror related, yeah, it's all about everything, something like that. To tell a little.
It's like Bruce Lee के words मैं use करूँगा, and Raul feel free to pitch in. Water. So we are like water, blank canvas, free flowing as water. We will be using or propagating or instrumenting about any kind of conversation. हिंदी में बोलूँ तो हम हर तरीके के बातें करना चाहते हैं, not necessarily bind to any categories, at least for now. हम start करेंगे from anything, call it science, call it mythology, call it stories, call it your own life's experience. कई बार होता है कि आपकी लाइफ की जर्नी ही काफ़ी इतनी impactful होती है, और you want to share it, and if you share it, वो एक influencing story बन सकती है. So like हमारी कोई कैटेगरीज नहीं है अभी as of now. हमने कुछ ऐसा पॉइंट नहीं सोचा कि, और मेरे ख्याल से that's what we are trying to find it also, कि हम कहीं किसी टॉपिक से या किसी जॉनरा से जुड़ना नहीं चाहते. We are giving a platform, or we are hosting a platform जहाँ पे we want people to hear each other's story, not just us, each other's story. आपको बात करना है, आपको अपनी बातें सुनानी है, आपको अपनी बातें सुननी है, हर तरीके से जो भी आपकी टॉपिक हो उस बारे में बात करनी. This platform is useful. So अभी कुछ नहीं.
But that's great. That's really great. If you are doing that, I think that would be more interesting rather than going for just one genre. एक पॉडकास्ट पे ये ज़्यादा अच्छा है कि every time it would be surprising कि इस हफ्ते क्या आने वाला है. That's a
इसको mixed bag. इसको mixed bag. Horror, intense, comedy. हमारे पास बहुत सारे और भी light hearted genres भी बहुत सारे पड़े हुए हैं in a bag. वो भी हम धीरे धीरे उस बैग में से रैबिट्स निकालते रहेंगे.
That's good. All the best. All the very best.
And we'd love to be associated with you too. और भी बहुत सारे जब भी ऐसे content आएंगे, we'll be watching it together.
For sure. That would be
I am thinking of we guys can do some movie reviews and some series reviews together.
Yeah, we can do that. So as I'm planning कि जैसे कर रहे हैं तो हम तीनों साथ मिलकर भी कर सकते हैं जहाँ पे we can discuss about it.
Yeah. All right. So guys, with that great note, I think we can wrap up this
Okay.
a quick chat that we had, and the review of the Chronicles. So by the end of it, मैं फिर से बस वही कहना चाहता हूँ कि be very excited about the upcoming stuff. जो भी आने वाला है The Chronicles में. जो आपने अभी देखा, this was just a teaser. This was just a glimpse of it. Because जैसे जैसे time बीतेगा, we are also being introduced to some new technologies, right? And जैसे जैसे नए टेक्नोलॉजीज मिलते जाएंगे तो The Chronicles का एक्सपीरियंस भी जो है वो gradually बहुत intense हो रहा है. Right. So and I know Puneet, he's targeting for the finest experience that one can get. So yeah, with the course of time, I'm sure समय जैसे जैसे बीतता जाएगा, you guys can expect a lot much more intense, richer experience from The Chronicles. So with that note, I would request Puneet to give us a departing message. Any last words you want to add here to this episode?
Yeah, that's it. I mean, I really wish you guys all the best for your show, and I really wish myself for my show as well. a really good thing. But with the ending note, please follow and subscribe to Turk Chronicles. You are in for a very good stories, and I'll try my best to always keep you entertained. Thank you.
And Puneet, would you also like to share your Instagram handle?
I haven't created it yet, but yes, we have. I'm making it because I'm creating a new one, and I'll be sharing with you very soon because I have planned something for Instagram as well.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So in the meantime, what we'll do is that we will put the description of the YouTube channel,
Yes, that's will.
the direct link of the YouTube channel in the description of the video itself,
Yeah.
so that you guys can go and check out and subscribe to the channel for the upcoming weekends. Well, today we'll update link down here. All right. So with that, guys, like always, I wish everyone, all the viewers, all the audience right now, and our subscribers, very, very happy and a goodness filled life ahead, right? जो भी आप लोग कर रहे हैं उसमें बहुत अच्छा कीजिए, जहाँ भी आप लोग हैं, जैसा भी आप लोग कर रहे हैं, I wish you all the very best in that. And अगर आपके कोई सवाल है, कोई questions हैं, you can always ask us on the Rad channel. You have our Instagram handle, which you have our YouTube channel, which everything is there available. And अगर आपके कोई भी सवाल है related to Turk Chronicles, you know who to reach out, right? So just reach out to Puneet for that. And I'll try to put the description or probably, Puneet's personal Instagram handle as well if he's fine with it.
Yeah, that's totally fine. But yeah, that's okay.
Yeah.
That's okay.
So yeah, I mean, if he's fine with that, so I'll put that information as well,
Okay.
so that you can reach out directly to him in case you want to, ask him something, in case you want to collaborate with him, in case, let's say, आपकी कोई expertise है या आपके पास कोई experiences हैं, आपके पास कोई stories हैं जो आप चाहते हैं कि Turk Chronicles के through उसको बयान किया जा सके, तो उसके लिए you please feel free to connect with Puneet directly, and you can reach out, and then you can, all of us, we can probably make some wonders. All right. So with that note, I say bye-bye to all of you. I give you, all the very best. And till then, sayonara, guys. Bye-bye. Have a good time. Thank you for
Turk Chronicles.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
All right.